Hi, it's Nadine, and I'm just about to open this really beautiful Nature Walk gift set from my friend Adriana Compagnoni from South Mountain Bees. And it was such a beautiful package, and her son delivered it to my doorstep, and he was adorable and polite. And this is what came. And I just want to show you what's inside the box. First of all, the box is really pretty. And I'm so excited to see what's inside. A little card. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Everything's tucked neatly in the box. I'll show you what we have. Here is the raw honey scrub with vitamin E. I think it's honey and sugar. And then there's the beautiful pine soap dish for my soap. The soap smells amazing. There's a little spoon for my scrub. And then this is, I think this is the hand salve, which is lovely. Comes in this cute little tin. And then the lip balm. How pretty that is. Take a look inside. It's lovely too. Nothing's overly scented. Everything's just smells really natural and nice. And then a beautiful soft washcloth. And now I can't wait to take a shower. So thanks, Adriana and South Mountain Bees. I'm all excited. Good night.